Start the tail with a slip knot. Chain 7 stitches. Crochet 6 single crochets into the chain until you reach the knot. Cut the working yarn, leaving a 4-inch tail. Twist the tail to shape it. The tail is complete. Attach the tail first. Place it centered at the back. Guide the yarn tail under a matching stitch and out the next stitch. Tie the yarn tails together twice. Cut and hide them inside.